Our next topic is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction means product of numerators upon product of denominators. We can explain it with an example. Find 8 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 7. The rule is multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominators. Here the numerators are 8 and 4. So the product of numerator is 8 into 4 whole divided by the product of denominator is 3 into 7. Any common factor is there in numerator and denominator. We can cancel it in this step. Here there is no common factor between numerator and denominator. So the answer is 32 upon 21. This is in the improper fraction. So we can convert it into mixed fraction. That gives one integer 11 upon 21. Next we can move to another example. Find 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 5. We can apply the rule of multiplication of fraction by a fraction. That is, multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominators. That gives 2 into 1 whole divided by 3 into 5. That is 2 upon 15. Our next topic is value of the products. Means the value of the product of two proper fractions is smaller than each of the two fractions. I can explain it with an example. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5 gives 8 upon 15. Here the product 8 upon 15 is smaller than 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. That is 8 upon 15 less than 2 upon 3 and less than 4 upon 5. Here we are discussing with the two proper fraction. Now we can see what is the product of two improper fractions. The value of the product of two improper fractions is more than each of the two fractions. For example, 7 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 2 gives 35 upon 6. The improper fraction multiplied, then we are getting the product here as 35 upon 6. That is, the product 35 upon 6 will be greater than each of the fraction 7 by 3 and 5 by 2. That is, here 35 upon 6 greater than 7 by 3 and 35 upon 6 greater than 5 by 2. Now let's solve with the exercise 2.3. Our first question number 1, part C, find 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. First we can change the operation of into multiplication. That is 1 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 3. Here we can apply the rule of multiplication of fraction by a fraction. That gives product of numerators upon product of denominators. That is 1 into 4 upon 4 into 3. 4 is common in both numerator and denominator. So we can cancel 4 in numerator and denominator. So we are getting 1 into 1 whole divided by 1 into 3 gives 1 upon 3. Our next sum is Question number 2. 1 by 7 of 6 upon 5. Here also the first step is change the operation of into multiplication. That gives 1 by 7 multiplied by 6 upon 5. Then apply the rule of multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominators. That gives 1 into 6 whole divided by 7 into 5. There is no common factor between numerator and denominator. So we can write the product as 6 upon 35. Our next question, question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. The first question, 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 integer 2 upon 3. Here the second fraction is a mixed fraction. So in the first step we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then apply the rule of multiplication of fraction by a fraction. 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 integer 2 by 3 gives 2 upon 3 multiplied by 8 upon 3. Now apply the rule of multiplication of fraction by a fraction. That is the product of numerators upon product of denominators. 2 into 8 whole divided by 3 into 3. There is no common factors between numerator and denominator. So our answer is 16 upon 9, which is an improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. We are getting 1 integer 7 upon 9. Next question is 3 by 8 multiplied by 6 by 4. We can apply the rule of multiplication of fraction by a fraction. That is multiply the numerator upon multiply the denominators. That gives 3 multiplied by 6 upon 8 multiplied by 4. Here 2 is common in both numerator and denominator. So both should be divided by 2. 6 can be cancelled by 2 gives 3 and 8 can be cancelled by 2 gives 4. So we are getting 3 multiplied by 3 whole divided by 4 multiplied by 4. So our answer is 9 upon 16. Our next question, question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. Second question, 6 integer 2 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 9. The first step is convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then apply the rule of multiplication of fraction by a fraction. 32 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 9. If we apply the rule of multiplication of fraction by a fraction, that is product of numerators upon product of denominators, we get 32 multiplied by 7 whole divided by 5 into 9. That gives 224 divided by 45. Which is an improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed fraction, which gives 4 integer 44 upon 45. Now this is the time for some practice sums. On the basis of what we have discussed, you can solve the sums.